Hi guys, Jayant here. This is the fourth video of this playlist for list. Very interesting topic. Okay, so far one variable has held one value, but real programs often need to store many values together. That's exactly why lists are for, and this video is complete beginner guide for them. First, what is a list? Okay, so I'll explain you in a very simple word what is a list. A list lets you keep many values, okay, in a single variable in order. Think of it as numbered row of or boxes, okay, or shopping list written top to bottom. Okay, you you write inside square brackets with commas between the items. You right. For example, this is a list. Okay, sorry, let me select a kernel. Okay, so what I did, I defined a variable here. Okay, inside uh, a square brackets with comma separated everywhere. So what is it? It is a It is a list. Its data type is a list. Now, again, here you see it confirms that this is a list. Now, a list can hold multiple or mixed types. Okay, like okay, let me explain it in this way. A list doesn't care what you put in it. Okay, the same list can hold text, numbers, booleans, which is true or false, all together. Though in real projects, we usually keep one kind of thing per list. Okay, so here you see, right? Again, this is print mixed. Say, let me tell you the type. Sorry, let me tell you the type here as well. So print type mixed. What is it, guys? What is it? It is what is it? It is list. And now, when we are holding different data types together in one place in a list, we can also call it as heterogeneous. Heterogeneous is different things, different type of things stored in one place, heterogeneous, right? Now, reading items, okay, indexing, just like in strings, right? Just like in strings, every item has a position number that starts at zero. Okay, that would start at zero. So here, zero, one, two. Okay, let me run this again. Okay, apple, banana, cherry. Zero is the first item, minus one is the last one, counting from the end. Okay, you understand this, right? Now, quick challenge for you, similar to what we did in string, is for fruits, apple, banana, cherry, this one, what does fruit 2 print? Any guesses, guys? Come on. Who who thinks it's banana? And who thinks it's apple? And who thinks it's cherry? Okay, the correct answer is cherry. Why cherry? Because the indexing, when you're indexing and you're not defining negative or something, the forward indexing always starts from zeroth index, zero, one, two, right? Understood, guys? Okay. Now, the next point I want to talk about is reading a range. Okay, reading a range. So, what does this mean in a list? So, it is similarly, if you want to read a range, right? Read a range, you have to use slicing operation, what you used in string, same idea as strings. So if you run this, right? Again, I have written here, but yeah, just to write it here, just to show you it's running well. So it's the same concept. Okay, guys. Now, there is one thing I want to talk to you about here. You remember uh, uh, we talked about start and stop and step in a string, right? So here also we have similar things. So start, stop would give you a smaller list, right? A smaller list from start, but not including the stop. You understand, right? And the same way we have length function, which is called len in Python, used on string, also counts the items inside a list. So how many items are there? One, two, three, right? If you run this, what will be the answer? It will be three. Okay. Moving down. Now, this is a very important concept of mutable and non-mutable, right? Uh, in in Python, right? So this is yeah, big one here again. This is the key difference from string. Like this is the main thing I would say which differentiates the list with strings. So lists are mutable. What does it mean? You can change them. A string cannot be changed once you make it. Okay, so that is called immutable. A list can be changed. You can swap an item just by assigning its position. Okay, we call that mutable. Let me run this. I'll explain you. So first, so again, a list. We are saying on the zeroth index, we have apple. Change that with mango. Print fruits. What will be the answer, guys? Mango, banana, and cherry. Right? Mango, banana, and cherry. Right? See, the first item changed from apple to mango. You can't do that with string. Okay? You can't do that. Adding items. How do we add items? Okay? How do we add items with what do you call in a list? Okay, three ways: append, insert, and extend. What does append do? Append adds one item to the end. So if let's say we have here, right, apple, banana, cherry, and if we use append for mango, it will add at the end. Insert will let you add mango to a specific position. What does extend? Extend adds several items at once. Okay, if you are to add other fruits like cherry, uh, strawberry, or whatever, you would what would you use? You would use extend, right? Very ex clearly self-explanatory, guys. So we have a list here with apple and banana. The first thing we'll do is append it cherry. So append would add anything to the last of the list. So cherry goes here. Mango is added to the zeroth location, so it will be mango, apple, banana, cherry, and then you are extending kiwi pear. Where will it go, guys? If we are extending with kiwi and pear, where will it go, guys? It will go to the last position, right? By default, it will go to the last position. Understood? Okay. Now, removing item, very much same thing. You know, if you want to remove, right? What do you use to remove? Again, there is a keyword called remove. Okay. Also, three ways to remove. First is remove, removes by value. So you could say remove banana, apple, pineapple, whatever that is. Pop, it removes by position and hands the item back to you. Okay, so it removes by position. You need to send a position and it hands back you the item. Okay, and clear empties the whole list. If you want to empty the whole list, what keyword you would use? Clear. Okay, so this is This is our list. We are saying remove banana. So banana is removed. We are saying fruits pop. So what does it pop? Always by default it will pop this, the last thing. Okay. Then right. Understood, guys? Understood? Why is it says removed and this? Because we have said this, right? Whatever you popped, give me that. Okay. Now, quick challenge. We start with we start with a list called nums, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we append 4 and then pops position 0. Okay, you understand what I'm saying? I'm appending 4. So where it will be appended, guys? At the end, correct? And then I pops 0. What would be pop, guys? Any guesses? Any guesses, guys? If I'm saying pop 0, what will be popped out? 4, right? 4, right, guys? No, it would be 1, right? Why? Because if we are not defining anything here, like we are not defining an index value, automatically it will pop out the last, uh, what is there on the last index. But here we are specifically saying pop out the 0th, whatever value is on the 0th. So let me run this. So yeah, so it added 4, popped out from the 0th index, which is this, and then it printed the list. Okay. Now the next thing is searching a list. Okay, how would we search a list? Okay, I'll go quickly, guys. There is a lot in this. So how would we search a list? Okay, so again, searching a list, there are three ways I have written here. First is in, is a quick way. In is a quick way. Again, like string, yes or no. Is it in a list? Index, what does it index to? It gives you the position of an item, and count tells you how many times it has appeared, right? So let me run this. Okay. Now a nugget that trips up almost every beginner sorting and reversing. Okay, this is a nugget. Okay, now sort rearranges the list in a place, the list itself changes. Sorted returns a brand new sorted list and leaves the original alone. And reverse flips the order. Right? Understood, guys? Sort, what does sort do? It rearranges the list in place. Okay. Sorted list means return a new sorted list and leave the original behind. So it doesn't sort the original one, but will give you a new one. And what is reverse? It flips the order. Let me run this. Okay, understood, guys? So there is a list called 312, right? It sorts 1, 2, 3, 4. Then there's another list. It gives us new. We run sorted function on it. So the, it gives us sorted by the character, and then the original one remains the same. Okay. See the big difference? Sort changed the actual list, but sorted gave me a new sorted list, and the original name is untouched, right? The distinction matters a lot for list of numbers. A few built-in are already are really handy. Okay. Now, quick maths on the list. Okay. Quick maths on the list. Let me run this first. Okay. So again, smallest, largest, and total all built in, right? All built in, guys, right? Another nugget, a list can hold other lists, right? A list can hold other lists, right? Right, guys? So a list can hold other lists, right? Useful for grids or rows of data to reach inner items, you use two sets of bracket. Okay, guys? So let me run this. So in order to reach the second one, you would use two grid. Okay, putting it together, a shopping cart. Okay, what does it mean? This is an example using what we have learned up till so far. We have built a cart, add and removed certain items from cart, and checked and count, then sorted it. Okay, understood, guys? So we have a cart. We are saying in that cart we have milk, eggs, and bread. We have appended butter, so it will be added at the last. We have removed egg, so it removes this. Then we say print milk in cart. So it checks if print is there. If yes, it will return true. So it says print items. What is items? What will it give, guys? When we say print items, what will it give? Any idea? Okay, I'll leave that up to you. but there is a uh, okay, I'll leave that up to you. We have already studied that. Okay. Now, card sort. What is it doing? It will sort the card based on alphabetical order. If it's sorted, it would keep the card as it is, but give us a new string list, right? So items. What is items? It says when you're printing the length of the card, give me a string items colon and the number. Understood? Okay. So a quick recap, guys. Uh, a list stores many orders values in one variable. Indexing from zeroth and slicing works just like strings. Lists are mutable. You can change, add, and remove items. Add. How do you add in a string? You append, insert, extend. Uh, Again, you have to learn these. These are very important. Remove three things. Remove, pop, clear, search, in, index, count, sort. Okay, order with sort versus sorted, maths, arithmetic operations, min, max, sum, length, and lists can be nested. In the next videos, we'll talk about tuples. List can uh, never change. Let's see if tuples can change too.